HD equipment, tooling, and other supplies can attract thieves looking to make a quick buck. To help prevent your job site from becoming a criminal's next target, consider these steps. Every job site is different, so it is important to do a little research when a crew is moving onto a site. If the area you're working in seems unsafe to leave equipment unattended, don't take chances. Load everything onto trailers and take it with you at night. Before leaving the job site for an extended period, the drill operator should take a few minutes to make sure the drill is properly shut down and secured. To do that, shut off the drilling fluid pump, reduce the engine speed to idle, shut off the engine, and remove the key. If you're shutting down for the night or longer, turn the battery disconnect switch to disconnect. If the drill has a cab, lock that too. You should also create a barrier around the directional drill and other equipment using barrier fencing or cones. HD sites can span several blocks to an entire neighborhood sometimes. From shovels to locating equipment and tooling, everything your crew uses on a regular basis should have a place where it is stored at night. Make sure every crew member knows what they're responsible for putting away at the end of the day. For example, locators are among the most common items stolen from an HDD job site. Make sure the person who last used the locator that day knows it's their responsibility to have it in his or her possession at all times unless it is locked in a job site storage trailer or in the cab of the truck. Check and double check to make sure anything that can be locked is. Trailers should have hitch locks so they don't disappear. Theft doesn't just happen at night, so be sure to lock trailers and trucks anytime they are left unattended. Do whatever you can to prevent your equipment from being stolen. If you have any questions or want more information, go to Vermeer.com.